So in this tutorial, we're going to work with single, double, and quarter time. I'm going to teach you how to feel it and with the music. And then we're going to look and see how we can do that with tapping, snapping, clapping, stamping. Basically, you take these the elements of spatial orientation or the elements of rhythm, and then you mix and match them in as many ways as you can in a progression from simple to more complex. And that's how you build your sequences. So first, let's just get back to the simple thing of, so it's 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Single, double, quarter. So let's do it with some music. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Notice the energy that comes when you go faster. 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Good. Whew. So notice how changing the rhythm brings in energy. It wakes you up, it gets you going, makes you feel excited. Good. Phew. And not only that, whew, my thighs are burning. So you could tap like this. You could tap like this. 1. Good. That is energizing. So, you know, it doesn't matter if you're really good at it. It's just good to try it. So now we're going to try this. 1, 1. 1, 1. Okay, this is what we want to try next. How about leaving room for a silence? 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. How about on the second? 1. Pause on the second. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 3. One. Silence. Silence. 1. Silence. 3. Wow, that's fun. How about 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 4. One, two. With the feet. 2, 3, 4. How about 2 pauses? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. Foot, foot, hand, hand, sound, 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 joy, joy. Three, 4, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. There's many ways to do it. You could go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, or 1, 2, 3, 4. That's hard. Or tapping is really fun with the beat. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ha! Good. Okay. Great. Next, let's learn how to accentuate the beat, and we'll just run this one right into it. So we've had feel the beat, single time, double time. Feel the beat, right? Whatever it is, it could be very slow, it could be a little faster. How can you mark the beat? With the hands, with the snap, with the tap, with the feet, with the body. You know, the shoulders, swaying with the body, the hips, the arms. Yeah. Then we talked about you take the time and then you change the time, the rhythm, or and it's easier to teach them this without the music first. So you just do it as counting. So we've done 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. You could also do 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. You can do it on the 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can do it on the 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's pretty easy. It seems simple, but it's not. So practice that. Then you can combine, let's say 1 and 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Or you can do it on the 2 and the 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Or really challenging is 1 on the 4 when you put them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Whew. Let's try on the 2 and the 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a great exercise just to wake up the brain and the body, to get us all working together and getting us to move in time, to speed up our rhythm or to slow it down, whatever it may be. And that's a great way to bring up some kind of dynamic. And so what you can also ask them, what you can notice while you're doing that is the mental challenge. So as you're working this exercise either with yourself or with somebody else, notice the concentration that it takes to be able to clap on the count that we've chosen. Notice also the fun of trying to get it and trying to be all together. And so what is the effect of clapping and stamping? How does it make you feel? What does it do to the energy? What does it do to the overall feeling of release and relaxation? And also, when you have to do something in a particular time, in a particular way, you're always training coordination. And then when you combine different, even if I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. If you feel it, it feels completely different than 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So everything adds up to creating different feelings, whether they're conscious or not. They all contribute to training the body and the mind, to creating release, to upping the intensity on a person's usual way of using their energy. Another sort of rhythmic phrasing that's very effective for the actual exercise part, it works memory and it helps to reinforce the neuromuscular pattern, but also how to do it more and more quickly, shifting from one side of the brain to the other. So, for example, it would be, I call it 8, 4, 2, 1. So you do 8 repetitions. Let's say right leg, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we do the left leg, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we go to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Left leg. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we go to 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Then we go to 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So you can use that. You can also just use 4, 2, 1. It's a way to prepare the body to move more and more quickly. It's also a way to do a lot of repetitions without it becoming really boring. And it's a way to train the body to switch, alternate from one side, from left to right or right to left quite easily. So you can do it with clapping, with snapping, with stamping, with marching. You could do, let's say we go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and then you would change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Add 2, 2, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it just creates a rhythm, a rhythmic phrasing by going 8, 4, 2, and 1. You can use it in many ways. It could be 4, 2, 1. It could be 2, 1. It could be 8 and 4. That's what's fun. There's so many different possibilities and combinations. That's how you can keep your class fresh for a really long time. How you can keep your clients interested and learning many different things for a long time, because there's infinite possibilities when you move in all of these different directions with different rhythms, with different accents, with different feelings and music.